If you are using Telegram, when you are opening Telegram application, down here you can see one pencil-like button. When you are clicking on that, you can see so many contacts. If you want to remove any contacts from this list, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about that. For that, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, above you can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option contacts. Or down here you can see one pencil-like button. Click on this pencil-like button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach contacts. From these contacts, select the contact which you want to remove from this list. For example, I am selecting this contact. After selecting that contact, above you can see their name. Click on that name. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you are clicking on that, here you can see one option delete contact. Click on delete contact. When you are clicking on that, you can see a pop-up message like this. Here you can see delete. Click on delete. When you are clicking on that, that contact will be deleted. Now here you can see that contact name has been changed. And here you cannot see phone number also, because I have deleted that contact from my Telegram. Now again, if you are opening Telegram application and when you are clicking on that, here in this list you cannot see that contact. So this way you can easily delete contacts in Telegram. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.